Mathematics with Geogebra, visualizing numbers. To begin using Geogebra, type Geogebra into your browser and select the first option to access the platform. After opening Geogebra, you can clear the screen by clicking anywhere on it. Then, navigate to the third icon in the upper window to select the segment tool. Draw a line segment from 6 to +6. You can adjust its thickness and color by right-clicking on the line and selecting Properties from the menu. To change the appearance of your segment, choose a color and increase its thickness under Properties. Close this window when done. Use the Text tool, the second to last icon, to add labels. Click where you want to place text, format it as bold if desired, then click OK. The numbers on a number line are positive to the right of 0 and negative to its left. Adjust their visibility by changing size and color for clarity. As you can see, you can drag the text wherever you want. Since 0 is barely visible, let's change its size and color. Click on the second icon and then on 0. This way, you've placed a point on 0, which will also resize and recolor. To do that, follow the same steps we used before. On a vertical segment, the numbers above 0 are positive and those below are negative. Watch the actions we perform carefully. It would be great if you tried doing what you've just seen. At first it might seem a bit difficult, but soon you'll see it's easy and even fun.